This drone is going to crash. So we did not start the video for this, but let's try. All right, let's see if this drone will get success. No.
Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In this video I'm going to figure out how this Dji Neo will sound when it is in the air. Well, we know how the motors sound when we just take off, but what if we just stick a DJI mic here? This is a DJI mic, so what I'm gonna do in this video, I'm just going to stick it here with the double-sided tape and let's see. Then let's fly it and let's see how's the sound quality while the drone is in the air. We will fly it on the normal mode and on the sports mode. Let's see how's the sound quality, how's the sound according to the throttle what we apply on the joysticks. We will also capture the sound when the drone will be here. Same time we will also capture the drone when drone will be in the air. The natural sound. Will this drone give me any other air or any natural sounds, or only the motor sound with this DJI mic? Let's see how it goes. So I'm going to apply some double-sided tape here. All right, let's put it here in the middle. I hope I will not lose this mic. All right, let's stick it tightly. All right, looks strong. I don't think it will be just falling from the air. So what I'm gonna do, this mic which is recording my voice right now, I will keep it here. This mic I will start the recording on its own, because this DJI mic, it has the very nice features, so you can start recording on its own as well. All right, let me just switch on this mic as well. There we go, it's on. So I'm gonna keep it without the noise cancellation, so it can capture as much noise possible, so because that's what we want to see. And hit recording. So this mic is recording now. When this red light is blinking on this mic, that means it's recording. All right, so let's take off.
So this is how it sounds on the ground. This is the natural voice which you can hear. So let's fly it around and let's see. Let me hit the recording first of all. All right, let me fly it now. This is how this drone is sounding when it is in the air. Let's try to move it around and let's see. So when we are moving the drone around, it does change the motor noise as well, so you can hear it properly. When I'll increase the throttle, you will hear. So here when we are putting the stress on the motors, the drone is also let me actually fly it on the sports mode and let's see. Flying it close to the ground is so much fun. And here is all this voice which you are listening is from the motor, the natural sound from the motors captured with the DJI mic. So here let's see when I'll push the joysticks up and increase the altitude. Let's see the motor noise. Here You can hear the noise of the motors when we are pushing the joystick. This drone is way too loud than the other mini drones and Mavics. This drone is much louder. Later on in this video I'm just gonna do some crazy stuff with this drone, which I did not said in start of the video, but I'm going to try that. Here I'll push the sticks again and you will hear the noise of the drone. Alright, let's push the joysticks on the sports mode and let's see how these motors will make the noise. You will see it now. There you can hear the throttle. Alright, so let's play with this drone's motors a little bit. Let's see if we play with the motors of this drone, how it will be noisy, how noisy it will be. You will see just now. I will push it. I will try to hold this drone and move it away, and let's see. Here you can see the funny noise the drone is making. There, the drone just comes back to the home position again. That is also very nice. When I leave it, it just comes back to the home position again. Let's try it again. So I'm gonna leave it far away, and then you will see the drone will just come back to the home position. There we go. The drone is just going back to the home position where I holded it and tried to push it. That is crazy. Crazy stuff. When I left it, the drone just came back. It did not stay there, it just came back to the home position. Let's try it again. Let's see. This is the DJI technology. Let's try it again. I'll just hold it again and then I'll just leave it when I'm far away. Let's see. Here you can hear the drone is crying, and there it goes back to the home position again. That is nice. Brilliant. Let me land it. See now when I will launch the drone and when I will land the drone, how the noise is going to be with that DJI mic. That is the noise from the drone. Let me land it now. So the noise does change when you start landing or when you take off or when you land. The noise, actual noise which you hear with the mic is way too different. Alright, so I have a crazy idea here. I have this tree here. Let me fly this drone towards that tree and try to fly it from the. So there we have that tree. Let me fly that drone and try to fly it through that tree. Let's see if we will get success. Hopefully this drone is going to crash. So we did not start the video for this, but let's try it. Alright, let's see if this drone will get success. No. There I just crashed it. Oh, what happened? Oh, the drone just survived. Oh my god, the drone just crashed there, but it just survived. Alright, let me just bring it back. That was crazy. The drone just survived that crash, and it hit it there, but then it just managed to balance it by itself. I would like to try it again. Let's see. I think I can do it. Let's do it again. There we go, we are very close again. I will have to do it. There we go, I did it. Actually, it is very easy. it's not difficult unless you know how to fly the drone. If you are not very beginner, even this drone is very easy, everyone can fly it. So there it is, let me land it. So this is how this DJI Neo sounds when it's in the air. We just captured the actual motor noise with this DJI mic. So that was actually crazy and really loud. While on the normal mode and on the sports mode is completely different. This drone sounds completely different, and we can hear it closely how noisy it is. So this drone is even more noisier than the normal Mini 3, Mini 4, Mini 2. This drone has more noise, is more noisy in the air. And then while wrapping up the video, I gave you another entertainment. So I hope you like the video. If you do like the video, please subscribe my channel. Until next time, ciao ciao.